Hello everyone, it's Frank again with another budget mud truck video. To give you a little background, it all started with a post on OfferUp for some mud tires. They are 42-inch tall tires on 5 lug 20-inch rims. They were priced at $400, which was a bit out of my budget, but I took a shot and offered the guy $200. Turns out the seller was willing to let me go for that, so I bought them. Let me tell you, these tires are big. So big that they're a pain to even load or unload from the bed of my truck. But they were still on 5 lug rims, which would not fit my new 1-ton axles, which are 8 lugs. So I was on the hunt for some 8 lug rims that were 20 inches. Facebook Marketplace for the win. These were up for $300, but I was able to snag them for $200, meaning I got a set of 42-inch tires and rims for only $400, not counting whatever I get for the 5 lug rims. As you can tell, after washing them, there was only a couple scratches on them. Other than that, they were pretty damn good. So I loaded up the rims and tires into the truck bed and took them to get mounted, which itself wasn't easy to find a place that did it. I ended up finding a place that did commercial truck tires to do it. So all that was left was actually mounting them on the truck itself, which was much easier than expected. Other than one of the old rims being stuck to the brake drum, it went pretty smooth. But enough talking, I'll catch up with you guys at the end of the video. I must say, this is the most impactful addition I've made to this truck. It's hard to tell just how massive it is in this video, but it's huge. Now, I just have to trim the fenders so I can actually turn the wheels enough to make a turn, but that's a video for another day. As always, if you guys enjoy this kind of content, please like, share, and subscribe, and if you have any questions, leave me a comment below. Thanks for watching.